What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video is talking about small engine oil. Does it matter what oil you put into your small engine? Most small engines are going to tell you to put SAE 30, straight 30 in it, which for those who don't know, SAE means Society of Automotive Engineers. Now, what the 30 weight means is that it was never tested at a lower thing. It was only tested one time at a high velocity, which ranked at 30. So that means when the temperature's high, it's 30. And when it's low, it's supposed to be, it doesn't matter. So in my opinion, if your car takes a 10W30, put it in your small engine. And a small engine, unless it has an oil filter and an oil pump, if it has an oil pump, put what it says. Because the oil pump is rated for that lower viscosity at startup, at a 10, at a 5, at a, whatever it is. But on a regular engine, if your car takes 5W30, even 5W20, it doesn't matter. As long as you have engine oil inside your engine, it just slaps around in there. It just straight slapping around. And I know a lot of people probably gonna be like, oh no, it has to be straight 30. Why? Well, if my car takes 10W30, why can't I just put that in there? Small engines get hot quick. So when the engine's warm, all of a sudden it's at a 30 now. It doesn't matter about the 10 to start out with. Unless you live in a colder area, but then again, I don't think you're going to be, if it's freezing cold outside, you're not going to be mowing the grass or, whatever. So I honestly believe what really matters is that you have oil in it to begin with. Whether it's 5W20, 10W30, straight 30, and we could go on and on all day about Mobil versus Pennzoil versus Quaker State. I don't care if you got dollar store from the Dollar Tree, because I know Dollar Tree does sell oil down there at the Dollar Tree. As long as your machine has oil in it, that is the very important thing. As long as it has oil in it, I think you're going to be good to go. Now, if you're running professional equipment and you're running specialized diesel equipment and you're using it all the time, make sure you do your own research, figure out what you like. But when it comes to me, I put 10W30 all the time in every engine, because even on the big Kohlers, the standby generators, the things that do have oil pumps, they recommend a 10W30 anyways. My car takes 10W30, so why not just use that? So I buy a big old container of oil, which I just pump into the little quarts when I need to put oil in it. And I think that gets the job done. I have not had a customer say, hey man, that oil you put in fried my engine the next day. 5 years, knock on wood, you know what I mean? But I think I'm going to be good. And the main point of this video is to tell you that just because someone says, oh, you have to go over there and you have to buy the steel, you have to buy the Honda. Now, warranty based, you might have to do that. But if it's a used machine, you had it for a few years, or you bought one from a swap meet or garage sale, go buy whatever oil you wish to buy for your engine. That's what matters. That's what matters. You don't have to go and buy steel oil. You don't have to go and buy Honda oil. Just put oil in your machine. Make sure it's not overfull too, because overfull is going to hurt your engine just as bad as underfull. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Repair Gang, just giving you some quick life tips and some advice on your small engines. That's what I do on this channel. I post videos weekly. And if you guys have any questions down below, you could always feel free to ask me any question. I will try to the best of my ability. It's hard to diagnose over the internet, but you guys can email me pictures or videos. Maybe I can help you out. And yeah, so if you do like this type of content, let me know by liking it and by subscribing, because that's the best way to tell me. If you do not like this vertical long form content, this is very important to me. Hit that dislike, or leave a comment below saying, hey, I don't like it, But I notice most people watch on their phones. So right now, this is going to be a full screen video for you on your phone. So I appreciate y'all for sticking around, and yeah, make sure you have some type of oil. That's all that matters.